Okay, we're going to get ready for our dictation. Today we're going to work on spelling words with ank, ink, onk, or unk. Okay, remember when we go to sound them out, we're gonna put them together on the same line. Okay, so the first word we have today is sank. 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 Then we go to rewrite our word, sank. The ship sank. Number 2 is the word dunk. Dunk. D-unk. Dunk. D-unk. Dunk. Dunk the ball. Number 3 is the word drink. Drink. Dura. Ink. Drink. Dura. Ink. Drink. Drink. Do you need a drink of water? Number 4 is flank. 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 And the last word we're going to write today is a 2-syllable word. The word is trinket. 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 The first syllable is trink. Tura. Ink. Trink. Tura. Ink. Trink. The second syllable is et. Et. Trinket. Rewrite the word trinket. Trinket. Let's reread the words we wrote today. Sank, dunk, drink, flank, trinket.